video I am going to show you how to solve practice set 5.3, and if you want to see my practice set 5.1 and practice set 5.2, the link is given in the description box. You can go there and see. And if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. So let's begin. For this practice set, the formula which is given on the page number 26 that is needed. The formula is a minus b cube is equals to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. So first question is expand. We have to expand this 2m minus 5 bracket cube. So here we'll again consider what is a and what is b. So our a is 2m and b will take only 5, not minus, because in the formula already minus sign is there. So we will not take here minus. So we will write here the formula a minus b bracket cube is equals to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. So here a is 2m minus b is 5. Bracket cube is equals to a cube, means 2m cube minus 3 into a square means 2m square into b is 5 plus 3 into 2m into 5 square minus b cube, that is 5 cube. So here is equals to 2 square is 4. 2's cube we have to take here in the formula. So 2's cube is 8 and m cube is m's cube minus here 3 into 2m square. So here first we will write 3 into 2 square is 4 and m square is m square into 5 plus 3 into 2m into 5 square is 25 minus 5's cube is 125 is equals to 8m's cube minus here 8 into 3 into 4 is 12 and 12m square into 5 plus 3 into 2 is 6m into 25 minus 125 is equals to 8m cube minus 12 5s are 60 m square plus 25 6s are 150 m minus 125. So this is our final answer. Second sum is 4 minus p cube. So here a is 4 and b is p. So formula is a minus b bracket cube is equals to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. So here a is 4 and b is p. Bracket cube is equals to a cube. So a cube is a is 4, so 4's cube minus 3 into a square, a is 4, so 4 square into b is p plus 3 into 4, that is a, into b, that is p, b square, so p square and minus p cube, that is b's cube. So here is equals to 4's cube is 64 minus 3 into 4 square is 16 into p plus 3 into 4 into p square minus p cube. So final answer will be 64 minus 16 3s are 48 and 48 into p is 48p plus 4 3s are 12 and p square minus p cube. So this is our final answer. Now third sum is 7x minus 9y bracket cube. So here a is 7x and b is bracket cube is equals to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. So here a is 7x minus b is 9y bracket cube is equals to a cube, that is 7x cube minus 3 into a, that is 7, so a square, that is 7x square, into b, that is 9y, plus 3 into a, that is 7x, and b, that is 9y, so b square, 9y square minus 9y cube. So here answer is 7's cube is 343 and x cube is x cube only, minus 3 into 7 square is 49 and x square is x square into 9y, plus 3 into 7x into 9 square is 81 and y square is y square, minus 9 cube is 729 and y cube is y cube. So here we have to multiply this and this. So here our final answer, therefore 343x cube minus, will multiply 3 into 49 into 9y, answer will be 1323, and x square into y is x square and y, plus 7 into 3 into 81, answer will be 1701, and x into y square is xy square, minus 729 by cube. So this is our final answer. Now fourth sum is 58's cube. So we will expand it. A will be 60 and b will be 2. So 60 minus 2 is 58. So here we will write the formula a minus b cube is equals to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. So here a is 60 minus b is 2. Bracket cube is equals to a's cube, that is 60's cube minus 3 into 60's square into 2 plus 3 into 60 into 2 square minus 2's cube. So here is equals to 60's cube is 2,16,000 minus here 3 into 60 square is 3,600 into 2 plus 3 into 60 into 2 square is 4 minus 2's cube is 8. So is equals to 2,16,000 minus, here we will multiply these three numbers, we will get answer as 21,600, plus here also we will multiply them, the answer will be 720 minus 8. So here we will minus this both, means here bracket will be not there, then also it is okay. So this minus this is equals to 1,94,400 plus 720 minus 8 is 712, and we'll add them both. So the answer will be 1,95,112. So this will be our final answer. Now fifth sum is 198's cube. So here also we will expand it. A will be 200 and B will be 2. So 200 minus 2 is 198, and we will write here formula, that is a minus b bracket cube is equals to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. So here a is 200 and b is 2. Bracket cube is equals to a's cube, that is 200's cube, minus 3 into a square, that is 200 square, into b, that is 2, plus 3 into 200 into 2 square minus 2's cube. So is equals to 200's cube is 80 lakh minus 3 into 200 square is 2,40,000 into 2 plus 3 into 200 into 2 square is 4 minus 2's cube is 8. Here we'll multiply these two brackets. So here 200's cube is 80 lakh and then minus 3 into 200 square is 40,000 into 2 plus 3 into 200 into 2 square is 4 minus 2's cube is 8. So here 80 lakh and then here we'll multiply these two brackets again and the answer will come 2,40,000 and then here we'll add these brackets. So the answer will come 2,400 minus 8. And then we'll minus 80 lakh from 2,40,000. So answer will come 77,60,000 plus 2,400 minus 8. So we'll add 77,60,000 plus 2,400. The answer will come 77,62,400 minus 8. So we'll minus 8. Therefore, the final answer will be 77,62,392 and this will be our final answer. Now we have completed practice set 5.3. आज मैं फिर से बोर हो गई हूँ, आप भी हो गए होंगे ना, इसलिए मैं आपको एक चुटकुला सुना देती हूँ। आओ श्री, तुम्हें भी चुटकुला सुना देती हूँ। एक जॉब इंटरव्यूअर था और उसने एक पिट्टू से कहा कि तुम्हारी सैलरी 10,000 होगी और नेक्स्ट साल तुम्हारी सैलरी 20,000 हो जाएगी। तो पिट्टू ने कहा ठीक है, मैं नेक्स्ट साल ही आ जाऊंगा। पता चला ना आपको पिट्टू ने क्या कहा? वो तो नेक्स्ट साल जॉब ज्वाइन कर देगा, पर हमें तो ये पढ़ाई इसी साल करनी होगी। तो नाउ सीरियस, हम ये कर देते हैं। Now 6 sum is 2p minus 1 upon 2p bracket cube. So here a will be 2p and b will be 1 upon 2p. And then we'll write here the formula a minus b bracket cube is equals to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. So here a is 2p minus b is 1 upon 2p bracket cube is equals to a cube means 2p's cube. So 2p cube minus 3a square b means 3 into 2p square into b, that is 1 upon 2p plus 3ab square means 3 into a is 2p into b square, that is 1 upon 2p square minus 1 upon 2p is cube. So here answer will be 2's cube is 8 and p's cube p cube minus here 3 into 2p square. So 2's square is 4 and p square is p square into 1 upon 2p plus 3 into 2p into 1 square is 1 only and 2 square is 4, p square is p square minus 1's cube is 1, 2's cube is 8 and p's cube is p cube. Now here we'll do cuttings in these two brackets, like here 1p will be cancelled here also and 2 1s are, 2 2s are, and here also 1p and 1p, and here 2 1s are and 2 2s are. So here answer will be 8p cube minus 3 2s are 4. So here 4 and 1p 4p plus 3 2s are 6. So either 6p will come plus 3 will come as it is upon here 2 and here 1p. So 2p will be remaining minus 1 upon 8p cube. So this will be our final answer. Now 7th sum is 1 minus 1 upon a bracket cube. So here we'll expand it. A will be 1 and b will be 1 upon a. So formula is a minus b bracket cube is equals to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. So a is 1 minus b is 1 upon a. Bracket cube is equals to a cube means 1's cube minus 3 into a square means 1 square into b, that is 1 upon a, plus 3ab square means 3 into 1 into 1 upon a square minus 1 upon a cube. So here answer will be 1's cube is 1 minus 3 into 1 square is 1 into 1 upon a plus 3 into 1 into 1 square is 1 only and a square is a square and 1's cube is 1, a's cube is a cube. So here final answer will be 1 minus 3 into 1 is 3 only and 3 into again 1 is 3 only. 3 upon this a will remain as it is plus 3 into 1 3 and 3 into 1 3 only. So 3 and this a square will remain as it is minus 1 upon a cube. So this will be our final answer. 8th sum is x upon 3 minus 3 upon x bracket cube. So a is x upon 3 and b is 3 upon x, and formula is a minus b bracket cube is equals to a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. So here a is x upon 3 minus b is 3 upon x bracket cube is equals to a cube means x upon 3's cube minus 3 into a square. A is x upon 3, so x upon 3's square into b is 3 upon x plus 3 into x upon 3 into 3 upon x square minus 3 upon x cube. So here answer will be x cube and 3's cube is 27 minus 3 into x square is x square and 3 square is 9 into 3 upon x plus 3 into x upon 3 into 3 square is 9 and x square is x square minus 3 cube is 27 and x cube is x cube. So here we will do cuttings. 3 ones are and 3 threes are. Here 3 ones are and 3 ones are. And here 1x cut, 1x cut. So here 1x will be remaining. And here 3 ones are, 3 ones are. And here 1x cut, 1x cut. So here 1x is remaining. So here final answer will be x cube upon 27 minus here only 1x was remaining plus here 9 upon x minus 27 upon x cube. So this is our final answer. Now our practice at 5.3 is over, and it is not over actually. The second sum of it I will show you in the next video, and if you like this video please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.